Hey guys, Brendan here. Today we're back again with Hello Neighbor. Just gotta get this. Yeah, okay. I don't care. Every time that guys expect for a firewall alert every time we do this. All right. So we know the drill. Just do everything here. Just gotta collect all these boxes, take them inside. Okay, we can take a basketball instead, and boom, 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 boom. Now if we close the door and then why does this there? And then if I do that and then open it again, or if I go out and then go back in. Okay. Then what happens? Okay. Why can't we get in? The key! The key! How is a key that powerful? How is a key that powerful? That's a pretty powerful key. Alright, let's sleep again. Alright. Well, this is a very beautiful house. Alright. So, where is he? So, my friend told me that we have to go ahead and find a teacher mannequin somewhere, and he said we have to do something with the bell. So, yeah. So, we need to get a hammer so we can peel off the nails, which I know is in here, somewhere. Yeah, right there. The hammer is right there. So then if I just do this, and just quickly go over here, take these off. Okay, got that one off. Okay, so now we only have a key. So we have to find a teacher mannequin somehow. But I don't know how. We know it requires a bell. Okay. I forgot about the shark, so let's go back here. Alright. So we have to go back to over here. Alright. Then we have to do that. Frilby, what are you doing? My bearded dragon is trying to get out of his cage. Frilby, no, you can't get out, okay? Okay. He's obviously not going to get out. So, now, I remember we can get the bell from up here. Hello there. I'm just going to place a hammer on your head. Oh, hammerhead shark. Get it? Get it? Alright. So now let's go back downstairs. And, okay. I haven't seen the neighbor. Wait, was that him? Okay, yeah, that's him. How did he not see me? Alright. Frilby, what are you doing? Frilby, why are you looking at me? He really enjoys when I record for some reason. Don't know why. But, anyways, let's go back. Do that. Oh, gosh! Oh, gosh, that scared me. Scared me. Bad. Oh. Oh. Okay. Car crash. Okay. And he walks away. You're not cool. Okay, let's sleep again. To pass the time. There we go. So, I'm going to take the binoculars. Okay, he placed a bear trap there. Okay, good. Wait, do we have the... We don't have the bell anymore. Really? Now he's going to hear that noise and he's going to come out here. Need to hurry, 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 hurry. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, I guess he's not gonna come out here. And he placed it, okay, yeah, he is gonna come out here. Okay. Okay. Hey there, neighbor, please don't come over here. Please, it's just, you can't come into my house. You can't come in here. Can't come in here. You know, you can't come in my house, because that wouldn't be cool. Yeah, look around for me. That's right, you walk away. Yeah, you walk away. Okay. Did he... Oh, he's upstairs. Oh gosh, is he coming? I have a feeling when I open this door, he's gonna be like right there. Okay, yes. Sir, the door was open, neighbor. Please, neighbor, please. Please don't come here. Please, neighbor, this is my house. This is my house, neighbor. Neighbor, please, this is my house. It wouldn't be cool if you come here, please. Okay, he's coming. Okay, I need to close this door. Then come out here. And then close that door. Okay, now run. Is he trapped in there? Yes, he's trapped there. So we can get that bell now without having to worry about a thing. Okay, let's get the flashlight. And let's take this basketball and put it in the bear trap. There we go. Alright. Yeah. Let me just go back down here. Is he out yet? No, he's not. This is gonna be fun. So we just have to go back there to get the bell. But I have no idea what you do with that bell. Okay, well, this isn't good. Okay, guys, I spared you a very, very long cutscene. Not that long, but, you know. Okay, how much stuff do we have? Okay, we only have a few stuff. Okay, let's just take the stuff we need. We might need this broomstick. I don't know what it does. We are the neighbor now with his broomstick. Alright. So, we know what to do now. So... let's just go through there. And we need the teacher mannequin. Okay, let's just take a peep. Okay, he's not there from what I can see. Okay, we need to make this snappy. Snappy and happy. Okay, hopefully... okay. No. We don't need this. No, he's gonna notice. Isn't he? Okay, we can't open the garage door. So is... okay, he's right there. No, please. Oh no. Okay. Just need to go through here. And just see. Is he there? No, he's not. Hopefully he's not upstairs though. That would be bad. He's right there. He didn't actually notice. He actually didn't notice. Wow. Wow. Oh. Well, let's knock that painting down. So we need the bell for something. I don't know what. It's to get the teacher mannequin. But, okay, we can't go through that door. Can't go through that door. We can't, oh, we can go, okay. Instruction. Oh, we placed the bell here. Let's just do that, take that, lock that. No. How do we do this? How come you, neighbor, can do it, but I can't? No, I won't. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna place it there. Hopefully that'll work. Okay. So let's do that. Oh, okay. How do we have a left click? Okay. Okay, we got a shovel. Now can we just click? Okay, yeah, we can. Oh, here's the teacher mannequin. All right. I knew something would have to do with the teacher mannequin here. Okay. Hello there. This is very odd. Oh, it's a teacher mannequin, so maybe we can go up to the classroom. Okay, that maybe. He told me that, okay, yeah, we do. Okay, I just remembered. So he told me that it'll stop that one mannequin from kind of messing around and throwing paper airplanes and stuff. So what we have to do is go back up here, go back to the classroom, and make sure no one comes. And we have to place her behind the desk, I think. So like right here. Okay, no. Place her right there. Okay, no. Right there. So now if I try to solve the math equations, see? Okay. So I want to just try this. So 5, 5, oh, wait, is that 5? Yes, this is 5, so, oh, 5, okay. 9 minus 2 is 7. So, then 7 times 3 21. Or at least that's what I think. That's what I came out with, so let's do 2, 2, 2, and 1. Where did the teacher mannequin go? This is frustrating. Oh man, okay. We're gonna have to redo this again. Papa? See, look. 9 minus 2 times 3. And then I put in 21.
No.
It's not 21?
No, because you do the 2 times 3 first. 2 times 3 is 6. 9 minus 6 is 3.
So it would be 30?
The answer is 3.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Why do you say 4 equals 5?
What? No. 1 plus 4 equals 5.
Oh.
Okay.
See, you always do the times first.
Okay.
So 2 times 3 is what?
3.
2 times 3 is what?
Oh, 6. The answer is 3, though.
9 minus 6.
3. Okay, thank you.
See, this has parentheses.
Yeah. So that
So
means you do that first and then that.
You do this and then this.
Okay.
Otherwise, you do that first. If there are no parentheses, you do the multiplication first.
Okay. Thank you.
That's what I was trying to explain.
Can you close the door, though, please?
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Was my voice on the recording?
It's cut.